Seen just from near my place. I'm on the St. Catherine Street East Overpass in Hochelaga. It's very windy today. What the hell is that? Oh my god, I can't believe I almost missed that. There's so much noise from the highway, I can't even hear these planes landing. It's a Canon 620 HS. I bought this one used for 150 bucks last year. Good old A330 landing approach.
I'm going to be getting probably a new cell phone soon, so I'm looking for something with a good camera.
I mean, the quality is great with a cell phone. I just hate handling it. It's so awkward. You know?
But I find these just so easy to pull out and, you know, shoot something quickly.
Yeah.
Fucking leaves changing.
Look at that Corsair, wow. I don't remember last time I've got one in one of these planes landing actually. Cool, good timing. It's been a rather kind of a dull day for footage of anything. Decent. Yep, AC again. You know, you gotta wonder, those planes are like 20 years or older. How long are they gonna be in service for? It's not like some cream-puff small airline, eh? And by the way, if you didn't hear me mention a video, Air Transat was founded by Mr. Francois Legault there. Air France! Where the hell are you going? Is it in a landing pattern or what? Sorry about that. Yeah, I know the sound of a vintage 737 when I hear it. Yeah. What do we have here? Wow, I don't even know what airline that is. Oh, just took off there. Turned out to be a beautiful morning. How's that for a zoom, huh? Zoom, zoom, zoom. Focus. There you go. Oh, wow. Is there Canada or Delta? Oh, banking to the right, nice. In the cloud. Landing approach. Arriving at Pierre Elliott Trudeau Airport in just a few minutes. Seen from Boulevard Saint-Jean, St. John's Overpass Boulevard. I think that's, is that Air Berlin? I can't even tell what it is. I thought it was Air Canada Rouge at first. Anyway. Look at this big beautiful bastard landing here. What do we got here? Oh, that's what I thought it was. Qatar Airways. Either a 777 or 787. Of course, Qatar is quite in the news there because of the Olympics. I'll tell you what I haven't seen in a while though is the Royal Air Jordanian. Landing approach. Very nice. Me who's up here on St. John's Overpass. Filmed a couple of trains. Might be another freight coming soon. I hope so because it's always windy up here. Even the slightest wind, it's freezing. Freaking annoying. Everything comes with a price. Everything comes with a price. Mama. Big mother. Bad place to film planes at all, not a bad at all. At the end of the day here, practically. What do we got? What do we got? Looks like Air Algérie, Royal Air Maroc, Royal Air Morocco. I had a customer come by a few weeks ago. He was Moroccan. One of the nicest guys I ever met. So friendly. Wow, 2 for 2. How do you like that? Getting that Qatar Airlines plane one day after the next at around the same time. That's funny. Well, yesterday in the West Island, now I'm in the East End. Go figure. Well, I'm not a plane expert like some of you, but I know a 737 Vintage 200 when I hear one, and there it is on landing approach with its screaming friggin' Pratt & Whitney. I don't know what motors they are. They're loud, I'll tell you that much. It's the sound of quality. Good old Swiss Air A330. Landing approach. Oh, there we go. Royal Air Maroc. Whoa, almost barely got that old A330. Good old Swiss Air. Well, I say that because I think they've got a good track record for safety. What the hell? Oh, wow. Barely got her. Oh, look at that. Qatar Airways on top of that. Nice. I love how I can just see the shadow just before this thing shows up. That's so cool. Baby. Yeah, I know the sound of a vintage 737 when I hear it. A very windy day. Landing approach to Pierre Elliott Trudeau Airport. A jet fighter for a second, so loud. Oh, that's old. Oh yeah, 737-200. That was my second guess, baby. Take off. Air France. There's an Air France plane At Pierre Trudeau that got clipped by another plane. I'm trying to remember what the other one was though. AC, I don't know. I saw the picture, I saw the Air France plane. Landing approach. That's sunset. American Airlines. I missed their livery. And yes, the stains are on the inside, sorry to say. Frickin' cold today, man. Yeah, buddy. Listen how loud that is, man. That boom. Looks like military. What the hell do I know? I'm visually impaired. It's not like it's completely lit up anyway, eh? Oh man, the lens is all spotted inside. I can't clean that. It's all inside. Shit. Look at that there, 2 in a row. Wow. I think this is the only time I've ever gotten a chopper in the air still. Actually not moving. And I think it's actually over the hospital. God, scrap in the shot. See? The hospital is right there. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute, does that say TVA on it? The news station, maybe? Anyway. That's pretty cool though. I'd be terrified to go up in a whirly bird like that.